Hi everybody, it's me Sissy, and today in honor of August 26th being National Dog Day, which yay, dog, every day at my house is National Dog Day, but today is actually National Dog Day. I have done my first attempt at decoupage, so I have made this poop bag holder, me and my poop bags for my pups. So stay tuned and see how I make it. Today we're going to try something new. I've never really done decoupage, but we're going to give it a try. I've watched lots of videos, so I think I can do it. But anyway, we're going to do some mason jars, and I've gone ahead and gave them a good coat of spray paint. I have 2 jars, and let's see, I have these really cute napkins from Dollar Tree, and I have these cute napkins. So these are the ones we're going to use. For the one with the puppies on it, the napkin is only down the center. And I had thought about just cutting that strip and putting it around the jar or doing it something like that. But then the puppies were all pointed all different ways and I didn't really like that. So I went ahead and cut out the puppies and separated the layers. These come apart really easy. I'll say that and then I can't get it. Don't you know, that's the way it is. It's so easy when you go to show somebody, and then it's not easy, but see, it comes apart just like that. And you just go ahead and pull it apart. And now mine, when I cut it out, I cut mine out before I separated it, and that made the cutting of it a lot easier for me. So I've got some Mod Podge, and I've got a foam brush, and then just a regular paintbrush, because we'll see which one works best. But I'm going to adjust the camera so y'all can see what I'm doing. Okay. So, and this is just a regular mason jar, and it does have some raised stuff on it, but I'm just going to pretend it's not there. But as I said, I've cut out my little, I cut out the puppies. I cut out the little puppy heads so that I could, I think I just want to line them up on the end of the jar down here. So we're going to do that. And I've read and looked at so many different ways to do this, so I'm going to do the one that seemed the easiest to me, which was we're just going to get a coat of the Mod Podge on our mason jar. Then we're going to put our first little puppy on here. And then we're going to take a piece of cling film, just a plain piece of saran wrap, cling film, whatever. And they took it and they laid it on top of it and pulled down on it. And it smoothed out all the wrinkles. And it said if you had any wrinkles to take it and press it with the oh, that's cute. So then we're going to put another one right there. And let's see, we got this cute little puppy here. So we're going to just continue that same process. There we have our babies all around the bottom, so I'm going to set this aside and let it dry. Now for the other mason jar, I want to use these cute napkins with this Keep Life Simple saying on them. So I'm going to go ahead and just cut that out. So I got that cut out, and then the layers just come apart so easy. So, and I actually have 2 of them, so I can do one on each side of the jar if I want to. Oh, I actually have a bunch of them. I can do 3, 4, 3. I wonder if I can fit 3 on here. 1. Well, I think 2 might be enough. Okay, so we're going to give this a try. So let's see, we'll get a fresh piece of saran wrap. And this is pretty large, so I'm going to kind of center it right there. And I'm going to go ahead and cover this side area with the Mod Podge. Okay, so now we're going to take it and center it where we want it, and then we're going to take our piece of saran wrap, say a little prayer, put it over, and smooth it out. Take our saran wrap off. Oh, wow, I think that looks pretty good. I think that looks pretty good. I think that looks really good. So then we're going to take our paintbrush and just start in the center. Make sure we get all the edges. Okay, I decided that this didn't have enough dogs on it. You can never have too many dogs, so I just think I'm going to cover the whole thing in puppies. Okay, so I finished Mod Podging all the way around up to the top with the puppies. I'm going to put it up and let it dry, and then we'll come back and I'll show you how we're going to do the lid. Okay, so I got my jars finished, and I think they turned out really good for a first attempt. I've never decoupaged anything, so I think they look good. And I put a clear coat, so just some spray clear matte finish. And here's the puppy one with all the cute little puppies. But anyway, they're good and dry. And now we're going to do the lids. I'm just going to use the ring that comes with my mason jar. If you're just using a regular jar, you can drill a hole in it. But just remember, if you're using metal, be careful. It's going to be sharp, and you'll probably have to put something in it to keep the sharp edges from being exposed. I think using a ring is the best bet. You can take a piece of cardboard and trace out your circle, and then you could cover it with a piece of fabric or a piece of felt. That would be cute. But what I found at Dollar Tree was this cute little birthday banner. This is felt and it's stiffened. You know, it comes with the twine, and that was really cute. So I just took one of those, put my ring down, and traced around it. And then I have a circle with a little design and a pretty little hole in it. But then I ran into a problem because the hole wasn't quite big enough so I could pull the bags out. So all I'm going to do is between every other thing, I'm going to, if you can see here, I'm just going to clip. That way I have more access. So that way it'll come out. And you can glue that in if you want it, you know, to be sturdier. I think it's gonna, it fits in there snug enough. I'm not gonna worry about it pulling out. So then for my puppy jar, what I'm gonna put in here is my little poop bags. If y'all are like me, I opened the package. It has 3 rolls or 4 rolls in it. Get one out, and the rest of them end up on the floor. They're unrolled and they're everywhere. And then I'm get aggravated. So, but I'm just going to put all my little rolls in here, and then I'm going to take one. So I just put my rolls in the jar. I'm going to adjust the camera so y'all can see what I'm doing a little bit. Okay, so I'm just going to get my first bag, drop my roll in, put the first bag through, and screw on the lid. And then when I want a poopy bag, I just got to pull it up, tear off my bag. I don't drop them in the floor, and when that little tube at the end of the roll comes out, it falls in the jar, and then I can empty them all. But that's cute. I love it. I think it's gorgeous. I'm going to use this jar for my tall kitchen trash bag. So I'm just going to drop in the roll, pull one up, screw on my lid, screw on the lid, and then we can pull our bag out, tear it off, and there's your bag. You can also use these if you get the Kleenex that comes in the cylinder that pulls from the top. You can put those in here and use that. You could also take this and fill it up with the scent beads or the Carpet Fresh, and put the little, if you use this little perforation like this on top of it, that would make, and the smell could come out and make a good air freshener. But anyway, that's my DIY. It's quick, and you can embellish it also. I have some twine. I love to tie little bows on stuff, so where'd my lid go? Craft, and you can embellish it by, you know, you can tie a ribbon on it or a bow, or it'd be cute if you had some little dog bone charms. You could hang those off of it, or you could put your pet's name on here. You know, decorate it any way you wanted to. I'm just going to tie a little bow, and I leave these sitting out on top of my laundry room, so you don't want it to be ugly. Well, I untied my bow, y'all. Untie it back. Let's move it over a little bit. There we go. So anyway, that's my video. It was quick and easy. I think it did a good job. I love how it turned out. I might have to do some more decoupage. But anyway, thanks for watching. Remember, if Sissy can do it, y'all can do it too. So happy National Dog Day, everybody. Have a great day. Bye-bye.